Is it a turnip, a cabbage, a vegetable from outer space? Nope, it's kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is the most underrated, weird-looking, and delicious veggie you can grow. It tastes like sweet, crunchy broccoli stems, but it grows way faster and easier than broccoli. But here's the thing, most people mess it up. Planting too late? Tiny kohlrabi. Not enough water? Woody, tough kohlrabi. Bugs chewing it up? Game over. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow big, juicy, and perfect kohlrabi in your garden. Stick around, because I've got a crazy kohlrabi fact at the end that might just blow your mind. Be sure to check out our free app to see which vegetables are perfect for your unique situation. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right kohlrabi variety. Did you know kohlrabi comes in different colors and sizes? Picking the right variety is key. Fast-growing and sweet. Early purple Vienna. Purple skin, white inside, sweet and crisp. Early white Vienna. Greenish white. Classic mild flavor. Best for cold weather and bigger bulbs. Gigante. Super schmelz. Giant. Stays tender even when huge. Cossack. Big but still sweet. Takes a little longer to grow. Pro tip. If you want kohlrabi fast, go for early purple or early white Vienna. They're ready in 6 to 8 weeks. Step 2. Prepping the soil for your kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is like a root veggie that doesn't grow underground, so the soil needs to be soft and nutrient-rich. Loose, well-draining soil is a must. If your soil is hard, mix in compost. pH between 6.0–7.5, slightly acidic to neutral. Kohlrabi loves nitrogen. Add compost, aged manure, or an organic fertilizer like 10–10–10 before planting. Secret tip. Too much nitrogen? You'll get big leaves but tiny bulbs. Keep it balanced. Step 3. Planting your kohlrabi like a pro. Kohlrabi grows best in cool weather. Spring planting, 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. Fall planting, 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost. Spacing matters. Seeds. Plant 1/4 inch deep, spaced 2 inches apart. Seedlings. Thin them to 6 to 8 inches apart once they grow. Sunlight. Needs 6+ hours of full sun equal fast, healthy growth. Can tolerate partial shade, but it'll grow slower. Pro tip. Want continuous kohlrabi? Plant new seeds every 2 to 3 weeks. Step 4. Watering and feeding your kohlrabi. Kohlrabi hates dry soil. If it dries out, the bulbs get hard and woody. Watering tips. 1–1.5 inches of water per week. Keep the soil evenly moist. Mulch around the base to lock in moisture and prevent weeds. Feeding your kohlrabi. Compost, tea, or fish emulsion every 2–3 weeks for extra nutrients. Side dress with organic fertilizer once the bulbs start forming. Fun fact. Kohlrabi is one of the fastest growing brassicas. You'll see results in just 6 weeks. Step 5. Protecting kohlrabi from pests. Bad news. Bugs love kohlrabi as much as you do. Good news. You can stop them. Common kohlrabi enemies and how to beat them. Cabbage worms and loopers. Cover with floating row covers to block butterflies. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth to keep caterpillars away. Aphids. Spray with neem oil or a DIY soap spray. 1 teaspoon dish soap plus 1 quart water. Plant marigolds or basil nearby. Aphids hate them. Slugs and snails. Use crushed eggshells or diatomaceous earth around plants. Try beer traps. Yep, slugs love beer. Pro tip. If you see holes in your leaves, act fast before pests take over. Step 6. Harvesting kohlrabi. Like a boss. Kohlrabi is ready when the bulbs are 2 to 3 inches wide, about the size of a baseball. Don't let them get too big. Overgrown kohlrabi gets woody and tough. How to harvest. 1. Grab a sharp knife or scissors. 2. Cut the bulb at the base, leaving the roots in the ground. 3. Peel off the tough outer layer and enjoy. Pro tip. You can eat the leaves too. Sauté them like collard greens for a bonus harvest. Final thought. Crazy kohlrabi fact. Did you know kohlrabi was once used as animal feed? Yep, before people realized how delicious it was, farmers grew it for cows and pigs. Now, it's a superfood for humans too. Want more fun gardening tips? Subscribe now, because you can grow it.